Hey friends, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. Today I want to tell you about something really cool, a tool called TidyCal. And the best part is you can get it just for $29 for lifetime. Yes, not monthly, not yearly. Pay once and use it forever. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below for the link and the latest update. Deals like this don't stay forever. So I will keep the information fresh for you. So now let's talk about TidyCal. So what is TidyCal basically? So it is a calendar booking tool. It helps people to book time with you online. If you run a business, do meetings or offer services, it makes everything easy. For example, let's say you are a coach and you offer online classes. Instead of calling or texting back and forth, you just send your title link and people can book a time with you in a second. Easy, right? You can set your available time, your breaking time, meeting type, and even connect it with Zoom or Google Meetings. And yes, you can even accept payments inside TidyCal. That's a great for small business owner who want just get paid before the meeting. Now here is the big part, the pricing. Other tools like Calendly charge monthly or yearly, but TidyCal is just $29 one time. That means you own it forever, no subscription and no extra fees. It works well on phone and computer. You can even connect it with your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. Also, the design is very clean and simple. Your clients or customer will like it too. So now you might ask, is it hard to use? The dashboard is very easy and you can set it up in 5 to 10 minutes, even if you are not tech savvy. So is TidyCal a game changer for small businesses? Yes. If you want to look professional, save time and avoid back and forth messages, TidyCal is a smart choice. And for a one-time $29, it's hard to beat. But remember, this is a lifetime deal. It may not stay forever. So if you are watching this video later, check the description below to see if it is available or not. So that was for today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.